Today I'm going to teach you how to create a lightning table dashboard component in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful for visualizing your sales data in a clean, organized format that you can customize to show exactly the metrics that matter most to your team. First, click the App Launcher, which is the grid icon typically found in the upper left corner of your Salesforce interface. Once that menu opens, locate and click on Dashboards. This will take you to the main dashboards area where you can view existing dashboards or create new ones. Now that you're in the dashboard section, click on New Dashboard. This action initiates the dashboard creation process and opens up a setup screen where you'll configure the basic details of your new dashboard. You'll see a field labeled Dashboard Name. Go ahead and type Sales Overview into this field. Next, you'll need to select a folder where this dashboard will be stored. Choose the appropriate folder based on your organization's structure, then click Create. This establishes your dashboard and opens the canvas where you'll start building your components. With your blank dashboard canvas in front of you, click the plus widget button. This is your entry point for adding any component to the dashboard, whether it's a chart, table, or metric. A widget type picker will appear from the options presented. Click Chart or Table. This tells Salesforce that you want to display data in a visual format rather than as a simple metric or text component. Next, you'll see a report list containing all the reports available to you. Click on the report titled Sales Exit Opportunity Product Pipeline. This report will serve as the data source for your Lightning Table component. Now comes the important part where you specify how the data should display. In the Display As dropdown, select Lightning Table. This modern table format provides a clean, sortable view of your data that's easy to interact with and customize. You'll notice that default columns automatically populate, things like opportunity name, type, amount, stage, and probability. These are standard fields, but you have full control to customize them. For example, you can easily add account name by selecting it from the available fields. This flexibility allows you to tailor the table to show exactly what your team needs to see at a glance. If you want to organize your data into groups, select Stage in the Group by dropdown. This is optional, but grouping can make it much easier to analyze data by categories like different sales stages or regions. Next, select Amount in the Measure Columns field. This tells Salesforce which numerical field you want to aggregate. From the dropdown that appears, choose Sum, then click Apply. This calculation will total up all the amounts, giving you a clear picture of your pipeline value. Once you're satisfied with your configuration, click Add to add the Lightning Table to your dashboard canvas. You'll see it appear on your dashboard, ready for positioning. Now you can drag and resize the Lightning Table on the canvas to fit your layout preferences. Position it wherever it makes the most sense visually, and adjust the size to ensure all your important columns are easily visible. When everything looks good, click Save to preserve your work and all the configurations you've set up. Finally, click Done to exit edit mode. This takes you to the live view of your dashboard where you can see the Lightning Table in action, displaying your sales data in a clean, professional format. And there you have it, you've successfully created a Lightning Table dashboard component in Salesforce that provides clear visibility into your sales pipeline. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.